So there are few things to note about patent law related work. The Indian market is too small compared to the global market. You can see 2000 and 3 million, right? 33 lakhs and 2000, just compare, right? Nothing. It's a huge market outside, very small here in India. While there is massive headroom to grow on the back of international registrations as Indian economy grows, this is what I told you before, India emerges as a key market for this patented innovation. Just like China, USA, Japan, Korea, and EU, it may take a few years or even a decade to materialize, right? But patent work all over the world, Indian talent, because Indians are known for their technical talent, understanding, Indian talent is sought after as patent lawyers and analysts all over the world due to our technical prowess. And if you are able to do Indian patent law work, you'll be able to do it outside India as well. And a lot of times it is the same patent you are filing in India, also in US, also in Japan, same one, right? It's not difficult, different patent that you are filing. And it's the same work everywhere. This is a very lucrative, high skill, high demand industry that is hard for most people to get into, right? There is definitely tremendous global opportunity for Indian IP lawyers in the global patent law services market, while domestic opportunities are lackluster at best in case of patent. A lot of people tell me that I want to work in the US, I want to work, how can I work in Canada, how can I work in Europe? One of the best way to go global and have a global career and go international is to actually learn to be good at patent prosecution. Okay, it's the easiest thing. Patent litigation is harder to get into, but patent prosecution, where you are, working with the USPTO. If you know how to work with the USPTO, then you can work in almost anywhere in the world. There is a demand for your knowledge and skills and services. Imagine that. Technical specification can't be drafted by legal person without technical background. I know so many lawyers who are able to understand the technology and draft because it's the technical stuff will be provided by the inventor himself. But you need to be able to understand the technology. You need to be able to understand the prior art. You need to be able to understand what is the inventive step. And if somebody is explaining to you why, a lot of the best patent lawyers, so many I know, they are doing great work in patent. They are not even science graduates, they are law graduates, but they have learned how the technology part also you have to learn, right? You can't do patent law without understanding. You say, I don't understand technology, I don't want to understand anything, but I want to do patent law. That's not going to happen, right? And it definitely helps if you have a science background or a knack for science, knack for chemistry, knack for understanding coding and so on. You have to understand the technology, then only you'll be able to do.